In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Hootsuite content campaigns effectively. If you're looking to optimize your social media marketing strategy, mastering the Hootsuite platform is a fantastic place to start. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your content campaigns with confidence. First, you'll want to start by opening Hootsuite. Once you've logged in, navigate to the planner, which you can find on the left-hand menu. This tool is essential as it allows you to visually manage and organize your content calendar, providing a bird's eye view of everything you have scheduled. Next, select the dates for your campaign. When planning a campaign, having clear start and end dates helps structure your content strategy and ensures your messaging is cohesive throughout the duration of the campaign. Once your dates are set, it's time to start planning your posts in advance. Click New Post on your desired days. This proactive approach ensures you're not scrambling at the last minute, helping you maintain consistency in your posting schedule. Now, you'll need to select the social media accounts you want to post to. Hootsuite allows you to select multiple accounts, which is great for campaigns that span various platforms. It's crucial to tailor your content to each platform's audience while maintaining overall campaign consistency. Moving on, it's time to write your campaign post. Focus on clear, concise messaging that directly speaks to your audience's needs and interests. Each message should align with the overall goals and tone of your campaign. Consider adding campaign-specific messaging. This could include slogans or themes that are the backbone of your campaign, creating a sense of coherence and brand identity across different posts. Incorporate images, videos, or links to enrich your content. Visual elements can significantly boost engagement and make your posts more appealing. Ensure the media you use is consistent with your campaign's theme and provides additional value to your message. Don't forget to use campaign hashtags or tracking links if needed. Hashtags can increase your reach on social platforms, and tracking links are invaluable for monitoring how well each part of your campaign is driving traffic and engagement. With your content ready, schedule your posts for the right time and date. Timing can have a significant impact on engagement, so consider when your audience is most active. After scheduling, repeat this process to create a full series of campaign posts, ensuring a steady flow of content throughout your campaign duration. Always utilize the Streams feature to monitor activity pertaining to your campaign. It allows you to keep track of mentions, comments, and other engagement patterns, which is crucial for real-time adjustments. Be proactive in responding to comments, mentions, or direct messages. Prompt responses can improve engagement and foster a community around your brand. Finally, leverage Hootsuite Analytics to track the performance of your campaign. Monitor engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. Keep an eye on your reach and impressions to measure how far and wide your content is being disseminated. If you've used UTM tracking, assess link clicks and conversions to evaluate direct results of your campaign. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage a successful Hootsuite content campaign. Through proper planning, scheduling, and analysis, you can significantly enhance your social media marketing efforts.